Hello and welcome to the Corpus Linguistics workshop by Dr. Barami Kiwishai. Today I am going to introduce some basic functions of collocates in AntConc version 3.5.8. So let's get started. First, load your corpus text into AntConc. Here I will use some movie review text from Heather Froehlich's website. The link is provided below. To use the collocates function, we need to do a few things before using it. First, we need to create a word list of the corpus by clicking on the word list tab and go. Okay, and now we have the word list. Okay. Next, we have to adjust the setting of the collocates by going to Tool Preferences and select Collocates. Here you can see the default settings for display, statistics, and other options. The default statistics is mutual information. We can select other statistics like log likelihood, a combination of mutual information and log likelihood, and t-score. Here, let's select log likelihood. Click Apply. And now we can use the collocates function. So we can type the search word in the box and click Start. Here the result shows the collocate types and token on the top. The tables show the frequency of co-occurrences between the search term and its collocates, and also show how many times the collocates occur on the left or on the right of the search term. The fifth column shows the statistical value, and the last column shows the collocates. If you click on the collocates, it will bring you the concordance lines. You can adjust the window span right here. That is, setting how far from the search term should the software look for the collocates. And in this case, it's 5 words to the left and 5 words to the right. You can set the minimum frequency here. And you can sort the collocates based on the overall frequency on the left of the search term, frequency on the right of the search term, the statistical values, the search word, or the word ending. You can even have an invert order, that is, starting from the lowest to the highest. You can download these collocates for further analysis by clicking on Files and then selecting Save Output. And you can save the outputs in a file. Okay, like this. Okay, these are the basic collocate functions in AntConc version 3.5.8. Right, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, goodbye.